brought to my attention a few nights back. We showed up in the middle of a snowpocalypse that went down, I think, throughout just about the whole U.S. We got here right as the second round was starting. It takes us about 30 minutes to get here. Probably started real hard about 15 minutes for the second time around. So we figured let's just go ahead and shoot. I totally forgot to do any kind of intro. We just ran in here with little time. So what I'm gonna end up giving you this time, we have a quick superset shoulder workout from a few nights ago. I supersetted two things, everything for shoulder. So we ran through here and I did, I think, 6 different exercises on shoulder, all superset. So I'll show you how to run it out the gym in 30, 40 minutes and totally hit it. Just working my way up. Squeeze at the top. You can do these with dumbbells, machine. There's all kinds of different ways to shrug. So since I'm not gonna do my rag pulls tonight, I'm gonna give myself another week. See how I'm dealing with the intercostal strain and how I'm feeling next week. I'm gonna come in here, I'm gonna bust up in 4 sets. Try to run me somewhere between 60 to 100 reps.